I am in Boulder, and we're going to be checking on pondless waterfall. It was actually conversion. It went from a pond to a pondless, and it sounds like we've gotten some pretty neat changes on this. So let's go and take a look here. Yo.
What?
How's it going?
Living the dream, man.
So you got, I can see your spillway there and the spillway here.
Yep. Yeah, waterfall here, waterfall here. That actually converges and goes two separate ways. Get another split, and then this whole rock actually fills up with water.
Cool.
Comes off the face of that guy. This is what we call the castle rock.
Big
That
castle
comes right
rock.
off of there, shoots off. We got 10 1-watt lights in this and 9 3-watts in this.
Oh, wow.
So it is just...
It's lit, baby.
It's lit. We got a waterfall here, more secret action here. This rock fills up, waterfall back in.
Oh, that's great.
All sorts of interactive features. That was their
Right.
biggest thing about this. So the kids can get in and jump all over it in here, so you can come take your shoes off, get your feet in the water.
That's cool.
Just awesome, man.
Oh, that's great.
Like 2-3 inch waterfall right there, just to kind of get a little action out the door.
I see.
And wait until you see this.
There it is. You got steps coming down.
Yep.
I like the steps.
Then it's...
So you got water coming out of here?
Yep. We got water coming off that way and this way.
Oh, that's cool.
It's outrageous, man. It's buck wild, baby.
Looks good, man. All right, let's go check out this waterfall. Absolutely love this project. It looks fantastic. These guys are true artists. I just love what they do. I'm actually going to come back here later on this evening, check out the lights. We've got 19, I think he said 19 lights on this feature. So of course, I got to come back and take a look. Hey guys, I'm going to make a quick delivery, and we're going to get to the intro on the last day. Basically, we're going to be jumping in on and eager to see what the guys built. They've been in here for about a week. We did a pond, we did a couple retaining walls. Really eager to see what's going on. So let me make this delivery real quick, and we'll see you in a bit. The trick is not to spill it. Hey guys. Oh, looking good. Got a delivery. Wow, looking good. It's a lot bigger than than I originally estimated, because they were having draining problems, and so there was a lot of draining coming into the driveway here. So we put in this retaining wall, help divert some of that and get it shielded off of that driveway. So that's great. All right, I gotta go see the pond. It's time. So this was our first project that we started with. Number 2 is in the front. Let's go take a look at number 3. Oh, wow. That looks great. Oh, I love it. Oh, you tied it in beautifully with, the different types of rock. That was the big challenge, I think. You got a hidden fall right over here. Yeah. I love the continuity and the flow. You basically plan for getting more plants in here. You definitely open it up. I know the limitations on this. The biggest challenge, I think, was that big boulder that's sitting right about there. Yeah. Yeah, it was part of the mountain, and we could not excavate it out, and so we worked around it. You guys did a fantastic job. I'm actually off to another job. I absolutely love what the guys did on this project up here at 9,300 feet, and really excited to show you the next one. So we will talk to you guys soon. Please like, comment, subscribe. We would love that very much, and we will see you guys on the next job.